Welcome to the session of op-amp and linear integrated circuit laboratory part. So in this session we will be simulating the experiment of op-amp based function generator. The objective of this particular experiment is to design and realize an op-amp based function generator to generate sine wave, square wave and triangular wave of desired frequency. So here a particular frequency is given and we are using the op amps to generate this particular three different kinds of waves. So for this particular part here, the design of this is design a function generator so that the output frequency of the signal is 1 kilohertz. So we are designing, so all three waveforms are of 1 kilohertz. The op amp is a 741 with a DC supply of plus or minus 15 volts. So we will directly move on to the circuit diagram part of this. So this will be the circuit diagram where we use three op amps, 3741 op amps. The first circuit is nothing but it is a stable multi-vibrator circuit. So as the name states that a stable multi-vibrator, so we have seen this particular circuit using a 555 timer. So but in this case we are using a 741 op amp for obtaining a stable multi-vibrator circuit. The output is at this particular part which gives a square wave output, and this square wave output is given as an input to the integrator circuit. So this is one of the integrator circuit. So the input to this integrator circuit is a square wave. So output of this integrator will be a triangular wave. Therefore the output of the second op amp will be a triangular wave, and this will be the input to the third op amp circuit. That is, again, it is a integrator what we are using. When input to this third integrator is a triangle wave, the output will be a sine wave. So this is nothing but the entire op amp which is used as a function generator. So we will be moving on to the simulation part where we will draw this, rig up this particular circuit and analyze the waveforms of this particular case. So moving on to the simulation part. So here this I have already drawn rig up this circuit here. So this first circuit is a stable multi-vibrator circuit. So this will be the output which is connected to channel 1. Now this the second part is a integrator circuit which is connected to channel 2, and third part is another integrator which is connected to the channel 3. So we will observe the waveforms of this particular case now. So I will just give simulate run for this particular case. So as we can see at this particular part, the yellow waveforms in this particular oscilloscope, that is a channel 1 which is a square wave, and going to the measure part of this, the channel 1, the peak to peak voltage is 28.1 volts, and observing the frequency of this the frequency is 986 hertz for the square wave. So we are designed it for 1 kilohertz, but in the practical cases, because of the resistance and capacitance values what we are using, we get around 985 to 86 hertz. Moving on to the channel 2, the frequency is again the same, and seeing the peak to peak value at this particular instant, it is 6.75 volts. It is a triangular wave. And moving on to the channel 3, we get a peak to peak value of 5.19 volts, and seeing the frequency of this, it is 985 hertz. So in a particular single part, by using three op amps, we are going to get a square wave, triangular wave, and sinusoidal wave, which we call it as a function generator, the operation of a function generator. So now we can stop this simulation part and then make the analysis or observe the waveforms with this. So with this, we have obtained a function generator, op amp based function generator. Thank you for watching this particular session.